Hey there! Today we're going to look at AutoCAD, how to draw an arc with a specific radius and length, 2026 tutorial. So let's get started. First, over here, use this circle tool in AutoCAD and draw a circle with a specific radius, like 50 units, and set it as per your requirement. After that, draw a line through the circle to divide it into two equal halves and make sure it passes through the center. Then, delete the unwanted half of the circle, leaving you with a clean semicircle ready for the next step. Over here, type lengthen in the command line and press Enter to activate the length adjustment tool. After that, type T for total length and press Enter so you can set the exact arc length. Then, enter the required arc length, like 100 units, and click on the semicircle to apply the change. Over here, select the part of the arc you want to keep using your mouse, and AutoCAD will adjust it to match your exact length. After that, your arc will be modified precisely according to your required radius and length, giving you full control over the design. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.